Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want real updates on investment stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's start with analysis of Bank Nifty guys. Let's go for 15 minutes time frame. And let's see what the Bank Nifty did today and day before yesterday. So I told in my last previous video that the Bank Nifty is making a flag and pull pattern, and if it opens gap up, it can give a momentum here. So what the Bank Nifty did is it reacted to this level, and it even reacted today. So it came down, and today what the Bank Nifty did is it opened flat and it reacted to this resistance and it came down. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. So if the Bank Nifty opens flat, a little gap down, so the Bank Nifty can tank in, or you can wait for a single candle. So if it makes a 50 minutes red candle, you guys can go short, and the minimum target for the Bank Nifty will be this level. That would be 35,400. And if the Bank Nifty made a 50-minute green candle, you guys can go long, and the minimum target for this Bank Nifty will be 35,900. And so for the answers of Bank Nifty guys, let's go for the stocks. The first stock will be Cipla. So what the Cipla did is, after reacting to its support, it's trying for reversal by making a W pattern, and it also trying to make a higher high. So you guys can go along on this stock, having a sell of 905, and the minimum target for the stock will be 950. So the next stock will be Coal India. So the Coal India also took support from its buying level. So, and it's also trying to make a higher high. So you guys can go along on this stock, having a sell of 136. The minimum target for the stock will be 144. So the next stock will be Dr. Reddy. So after a very huge fall and making a consecutive red candles, so this is trying for reversal. So this is a very good opportunity to go along on Dr. Reddy, having a sell of 4499, and the minimum target for the stock will be 4800. And the next stock will be Motherson Sumi, and even this stock has took support from its buying level, and I have told in my previous videos that this kind of pattern can give a very huge momentum. So you guys can go along on the stock, having a sell of 208.50. The minimum target for the stock will be 230. That's all for today guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.